Sherborne, in Dorset. I was dispatched by Time Team to the quaint English town to study and capture elements of the Abbey. It's a huge historic building, so a lot to take in. So it was time for an eye in the sky. I was on the lookout for original stonework, windows, masonry, 3D scan. My reference shots and 3D captures will be components of a full historical recreation of Cerne Abbas, a long-lost religious centre roughly 11 miles away. Happy with my captures, it was time to venture inside the historic old building. Sherborne Abbey, like many old religious centres, is like a strange museum, a collection of different eras and styles. Tombs, effigies and memorials are hints of a distant past, although some seem to want to share their secrets. Hidden away, near the vestry, is a small, inconspicuous hatch covering something interesting. It's the original floor surface and height hidden away beneath. It's a puzzle to wonder who may have walked these tiles in ancient times. Teddy has also found some old tiles, which he's excited to share. More reference shots for reconstructions. Time for a quick meeting in the afternoon, then it was back to business. Old medieval glazed tiles, and a grisly collection of bones. Whose bones? It's impossible to know, but they belong to those who very likely worshipped in the Abbey. King Alfred the Great's elder brothers are buried in the Abbey, so who knows? Up next, a walk into town to take a look at a curious building just next to the high street, the Conduit. Originally built in the Abbey cloister in 1520 as the monks' wash place, before it was moved to the marketplace in 1560. Now, it stands in a rather awkward position for taking photographs and capturing 3D scans, but we got what we needed. A full 3D reconstruction of the conduit will be a key component of the full historical reconstruction to come.
Join a thriving worldwide community of Time Team fans on Patreon. Our new target is to reach 15,000 worldwide supporters on Patreon by the end of 2025. This will enable us to continue expanding the Time Team world with more digs and greater access than ever before.
Just over 10 miles away, carved into the ancient hillside, the Cerne Abbas giant stares down from his kingdom. Below, the small ancient village is clustered around the water, fed by a spring. And, hidden away in the trees, is what we can only describe as a wizard's tower by all appearances. An enchanting remnant of the past, a survivor in many respects. Most exciting, I've been lent the key to the tower, so I can take a proper look around. Ready?
That's quite a key.
A nice little room.
Fireplace. Cool, look, it looks like with the candles in there. Right, lead on, Macduff.
I'll put
Very pretty spiral.
an elegant spiral stone staircase leads up through the building, alighting to eerily quiet and untouched rooms.
Wow,
What an amazing room.
what a window.
The tower was actually the Abbots Porch, and later part of the huge Abbey complex built in the late 15th century.
Wood smoke smell. And continuing up the spiral. I will admit the tower is quite a bit taller than you'd think. Cool, eh?
What a fantastic room.
To a tiny little door, about 4 foot tall. Now onto the tower roof. Hello. Welcome to my castle.
Oh, very nice.
Yes.
I like what you've done with the place.
Not a lot for the last few hundred years. Built to last. Hope you enjoyed that weird little journey.
Up goes the drone to take a couple of thousand shots for creating a detailed 3D photogrammetry model. A very useful component of the Abbey site for scale, building material and window references. Other details, some looking to be recycled from the old abbey, are captured. Any curious details and decorations are especially useful. Then it was time to venture inside the new abbey. Still a few hundred years old, to see further survivors of the old abbey, including a stunning fireplace and masonry details that offer a tantalising glimpse into the past and previous use of the building. With specialists to hand, both myself and Time Team believe we have captured plenty of reference material, local detail and surviving historical remnants to bring the lost abbey at Cerne back into existence, virtually. It was an archaeological journey for me, taking in as much as possible on site to bring to life on screen.
Join Time Team on Patreon to access exclusive 3D models, masterclasses and behind the scenes insights.